Good morning, students. I hope that last exercise or last chapters you were able to understand properly. Today we'll start with a new chapter. We'll go more with the syllabus. Before starting this chapter, I want to say one thing, that go through the syllabus properly that the council has given recently in the website. They have omitted GP. AP and GP is there in your book. GP is not there in your book. That will not come in the syllabus, and shares and dividends is not come. Okay, just go through once the syllabus properly, and after that I will discuss more about the syllabus afterwards. So today we'll start with the similarity chapters, that is module 1 chapter 30. This chapter will be more easy to understand. How in class 9 you have done congruency of triangles, in 7 also and 8 also. Now this is the same type, is same, but the name is different, that is similarities. In that triangles we have seen that congruence we have to prove. Here we have to prove similarities. The first rule is what? See, angle is given. If two sides of a triangle are equal to if two angles of a triangle are equal to two angles of another triangle, then two triangles are similar, not equal, not congruent. You have to write down similar. See, both the triangles are drawn over here. Angle A equals to angle P written over here. Angle B equals to angle Q given. Then from here, therefore, triangle ABC not the congruent. This is a symbol of similarity. Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR by angle rule of similarities. Okay. Next rule is that side angle side. This thing you have done in the congruency also, but that time you prove what? Congruency of triangles, but here to prove similarities. See what is given. If one angle of a triangle equal to one angle of another triangle and the side including these angles are proportional. This you have to keep in mind, proportional. That means the two triangles are similar. The sides are not equal, but they have told proportional. Ratio proportion you have done, that is the term came from there, that is the proportion. Now from here in these two triangles, see the angle is given over here. Then in triangle ABC and PQ are written. See, angle A equals to angle P given, AB by PQ, AB by PQ and AC by QR, AC by PR. This is only the form of what? Proportional side. This is what? Proportional side. This is not given in in the congruency triangles. What you have written? Equal, but here you will not write down equal, you write down the proportional side. Therefore triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR by side angle side rule of similarities. Okay, side angle side rule of similarity. Okay, I hope you have understood these two rules. Next, if you want to see the video more times, you can repeat 2-3 times. Okay, and these things, each and everything, you note it down in your school copy, that is the mathematics class copy. Okay, next we go for the third rule. The third rule, what is given? See, side rule. We have done in the congruence also, here also done. See what is given. If three sides of one triangle are proportional, again the term is coming proportional, not equal, it's coming proportional to the three side of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar. ABC and PQ1, all these sides you can see in the form of proportional only. AB by PQ, PC by QR, AC by PR, that is even proportional side. Next, therefore triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR by side rule of similarity. Next, I have written one note. This note is very important. Congruency triangles are necessarily similar, but similar triangles may not be congruent. That means what? Congruent triangles are similar, but we cannot say that the similarity triangles are congruent. Next, if two triangles are similar to third triangle, then they are similar to each other. If two triangles are similar to third triangle, then they are similar to each other. That means two triangles going to the third triangle, that will also equal. Now I have started with one question from the exercise, the question number 3. What is given? It is given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle EDF. It is given, that means these two triangles are congruent, such that AB, the values are given, I am not reading. Find the length of the remaining side of the triangle. First you have to draw the triangle. What are the values are given? You just put the value, just substitute the value. Now see what is given. ABC similar to triangle EDF written. It is given. Then from here I can write down this is a proportional side. Proportional side. If the sides are, if the two triangles are similar, I can say any angle is also equal, any side is also proportional. The next part I'll go in the next exercise. Some part are there that will discuss more details in the next exercises. Now from here put the value. See, now you have to find out the value. How you find out? See, the EF value is coming was 16.8 centimeter and 5 by 12 equals to BC by 15. This one I written. From here BC equals to 25 by 4, that is 6.25 centimeter. 6.25 centimeter. Okay, and in the final answer you have to write down in the box, given in the box. Okay, and I've given some sum for homework also. Try to do it. Next class I'll show you more sums from these exercises. Okay, and each and everything you note it down in your copy. Homework also maintain your copy. Once the situation comes clear and good, I'll be checking each and every copy with my copy what I've done in the module, like that. I hope you've understood what I've told. Have a good day. Stay safe. Bye.